is we couldn't verify your identity, the bane of your Cash App existence. Today, we're not just troubleshooting. We're unlocking your Cash App's full potential, one verification at a time. First, let's dissect the problem. This message typically pops up when Cash App can't confirm your identity due to mismatched or unclear information. So, step number 1, double check the personal details you entered. We're talking name, address, date of birth. Everything must perfectly mirror what's on your official ID. Speaking of IDs, the next crucial step is to ensure the photo of your ID is crystal clear. Light it well, avoid glare, and make sure all 4 corners of the ID are visible in the picture. Cash App needs to easily read every detail. Now, let's talk about common pitfalls. Make sure your ID hasn't expired. An expired ID is an automatic rejection. Also, be certain the name on your Cash App account exactly matches the name on your ID, including middle names or initials. If you've corrected all your information and the issue persists, it might be time to contact Cash App support directly. They have specialized teams who can help resolve complex verification issues. Look for the support or help section within the app. When contacting support, be prepared to provide screenshots of the error message and your ID so they can quickly assess the situation. Briefly explain the steps you've already taken so you don't have to repeat the same information. And there you have it. By meticulously checking your information, providing a clear ID, and contacting support when needed, you'll be back to enjoying all the features Cash App has to offer in no time.